Welcome. If you're eager to enhance your group chats on Messenger by sharing multiple photos, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore the latest update on how to send multiple photos with a text message in a group on your PC. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First up, you need to open the Messenger app on your PC. Make sure you've logged into your account and you're ready to go. Once the app is open, the next step is to find the group you want to send your photos to. Take your time and look through your list of conversations until you spot that particular group chat you want to engage with. Now, open the group chat. This is where the fun begins, as you can share memories and moments with your friends or family. Next, you'll want to look for the photo icon or the option to attach a file. Click on that icon. This is your gateway to sharing those fantastic photos. Once you're in, it's time to browse your files and find the photos you want to send. You can select multiple images at once, making sharing so much easier. Just click on the photos you want to include until you have everything you want selected. Now that your photos are ready, don't forget to write a nice note or caption. This adds a personal touch and context to the photos you're sharing. Once you're satisfied, click Send or simply press Enter. And your photos along with your text will be on their way to the group chat. And that's it. You've just learned how to easily send multiple photos in Messenger group chats on your PC. Happy sharing.